Hey Jake, what are we gonna do today?
You know, after a long day on the road, you just kind of get grimy and you get that dirt and that road grime on you. And I think the only thing you can do, you got your safaris up. Look at his face. He doesn't believe me. Road grime.
Road grime?
Road grime.
Road grime. Okay, that's a new one.
All right, he's hating on the road grime.
No,
but here's the deal. You got your safaris open, you get covered in bug guts and just
yeah, there you go.
all the stuff that you can get covered in. So what we're gonna do today, VWLifers, is I'm gonna try out the old rinse kit. Our buddies over there sent us this, and they're telling us that this is, in their words, the absolute best on-the-road shower you can get. So we filled this up with some nice cold water that I'm gonna experience for y'all today. So it should be a fun one.
You got road grime, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm very filthy.
You're looking
dirty.
You're looking pretty grimy.
I'm really grimy, but I got grimy in my nice all Metro Garage t-shirt.
Oh.
Because, you know, at least I accomplished lunch.
Yes.
All right, so let me show you the shower situation. Say that 5 times fast. Shower situation, shower situation, shower situation. Anyway, shower situation.
What do we have over here?
You never want to go far out of chair because I might fall down in the shower. But I got this nice crate here.
Wait a minute, say a little more about that. I built that.
I got some nice teak wood crate out of an old deck chair, probably.
It was an old deck chair.
And look, your Johnson's tear-free.
Oh, yeah, and
nice soap holder.
look at the soap holder.
Yeah, look at that.
See that?
Look at that.
Custom.
God, it's disgusting.
What's this?
Look at your soap.
It's. How can your soap?
Did you drop the soap?
It's dirty. How did my soap get dirty? I don't have a shampoo holder because I don't shampoo my hair. All right.
All right.
So let's
come close and come up here. Come here. So here's what we gotta do. We gotta look at the rinse kit. The rinse kit, like I said, our buddies at RINSEKIT sent us this. So let's check out. It came with a charger. It came fully charged, which is awesome. It's so kind of them. So it comes with a car charger here. 12 volt car charger, and then a wall charger here. So you have those two things that you can have option charging just when you're on the road. You have an inverter or just your standard, like, you know, cigarette lighters, what they used to be called, but now they just got your car charger. I don't know. Are people still smoke?
No. Okay. I saw somebody on patrol live last night smoking.
Some Marble Reds.
Yeah.
You're really proud of them.
Yeah.
Anyway,
no
rinse kit. Let's look at the outside of this bad boy. So you got a nice grab handle. You got a ruler up to 13 inches, so you know you can measure like your foot or something. I don't know.
That is weird. Why would they have a measure?
I don't know. So why not? You got the space.
So a couple of things about this that I find interesting is
got some grooves.
These guys were they were on the Shark Tank coming up with this idea.
So that's that show of Mark Cuban.
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. So this is made out of the RINSEKIT guys are out of Carlsbad, California.
So here's what happens when you open it.
Okay. What do we have in there?
Open it up. So I got some spillage from where I filled it up.
Okay.
But that's some water. This is inside this cavity here is where you fill your water up.
How many gallons does this hold?
A lot. At least 3.
Yeah, I believe it's 3.5 gallons.
Yeah, at least 3.5 there. And then you hit the on button.
Okay, now what is that?
And that's showing my voltage.
Okay.
You're good to go if it's in between 11 and 13.
Okay.
So we're at 12.5. So I come in here and I turn my nozzle to on.
Okay, so that's, oh wow.
All right, you see how far this thing goes? We got different settings here. You got shower.
Shower.
We're going for distance, baby.
Jet.
Ready? Ready?
Oh wow. Okay. So
I would say that sprays.
Holy cow.
Wow. That sprays. How many bus links is this? Right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Don't get my bus wet.
Ready to see how many bus links?
Yeah.
It's at least a bus and a half.
Yeah,
maybe
easy.
2 bus links.
So okay, let's back up for a second. So you could use this for showering. You can also use it for like washing your gear off or something, right?
For sure.
Okay.
Now it's time to shower. This is cold water.
So Jake is gonna, this is the first time we've used the RINSEKIT Pro. This is the 3.5 gallon, 12 volt operated. Look, he's got it hanging up here on top of the rack here.
All right, remember, you get your shirts at allmetrogarage.com.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you can always just spell out VWLife on your chest.
Oh, that's the poor man's version.
Hey, I put it on for my
Is that a
city.
tattoo?
Could be. I'll tell you what.
The artwork on that is amazing.
I'll tell you what. If
All
VWLife
caps,
gets 100,000 subscribers, I'll get a tattoo.
Well, you heard it.
There it goes.
We're only 60,000 away. 59,000.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So, all right, Jake.
This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. I hate cold water.
Is it cold?
It's cold.
Maybe it's not so. It's been sitting out.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, it's good pressure. Great pressure.
All right. Is it good? It has good pressure?
Oh yeah.
Your tattoo's still staying on, just letting you know.
Right. Oh man. Tell you what, that gets the road grime right off you. All right, here. Let's see what we can do here. I can get that. Like that.
So it's pressurized.
I'm gonna find a way to
Okay.
hold it. Ooh. Here, I'm gonna move your guy. Here, put your guy up.
All right. He's gonna try. Oh, you can automatically. Holy cow!
Oh, there we go. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Now
wow.
we're cooking.
Okay, so we're using.
This is a rinse kit. It works very well.
We're using
very
the
well.
lantern holder.
Is my tattoo coming off?
Yeah, it's
Look at that, right off. It works well.
But no more tattoo.
No more VWLife tattoo.
Wow, it does work good.
Oh yeah. That's the rinse kit, baby. It works well. It gets you good pressure.
So that's 3.5 gallons.
3.5 gallons.
I wonder how long I didn't time it. I think it goes for about 4 or 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
You know, if we're doing this in July, it'd probably feel pretty
Oh,
good.
it felt really good. But look, I had that marker on me.
Well,
It comes right off.
yeah, it's still kind of there.
Is it there? Is it there?
Permanent. Oh yeah, that's permanent.
But look, it works great. That's our friends over at RINSEKIT. They came up to us and they're like, hey, we like what y'all do over at VWLife. Y'all actually use your stuff. We like to go off-road. We like to go get dirty. Look, they say that dirt's for racing, asphalt's for getting there. Well, I like to say dirt is for camping, asphalt's for getting there.
Oh yeah.
So you got to go off-road every now and then. You got to get a little mud on your tires. I think there's a country song like that.
Yeah,
You got to get a little mud on your tires. Yeah, but like, you know, I can see that was really cold. It was it felt good. But the RINSEKIT, that's our buddies at RINSEKIT. And guess what? I got some news for y'all. RINSEKIT is offering 10% off when you use this code right here. Use this code and boom, you get 10% off your purchase of your RINSEKIT of your very own. That's how they support VWLife. That's how we support our friends at RINSEKIT. And you know what? That's how we live the VW life. Woo! Oh man, that's cold. I'm amazed. Oh, I waterboard myself.
All right, the aftermath. RINSEKIT Pro. Fancy soap holder. Fancy
Shower holder,
shower
baby.
holder right there.
That worked really well.
Really did.
You want a shower?
No, I'm good. I don't have any road grime. If I had
Look, that's how you're supposed to do it.
what?
It goes through there so you don't get your wet in there.
Oh, there you go.
Oh!
There you
You learn
go.
something new about your RINSEKIT every day.
Do not squirt on me. Do not, Jake. You know, that right there is why tigers eat their young. That's it. Right there. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you came from my loins. Yeah.
Check out our merch at allmetrogarage.com.
All right, everybody. Well, there you have the RINSEKIT Pro special. Hey, seriously, I tried building a pressurized shower and I almost killed myself. Remember when the thing blew up out of PVC piping? And because I saw those ones that are like $800 on the side of the Jeeps and everybody, those and the Toyotas. And so I'm like, well, I could make one of those out of PVC pipe. I did.
There's somewhere there's a photo of him and his balls. He looks like Walter White in his tidy whities. He's out there, he's scrubbing and like, you know what they say about wet t-shirts? They gotta be white.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you this way. You don't want to see him in his tidy whities.
No. That was quite a everybody in the campground loved that.
And they left.
So here's the thing, but my pressurized thing didn't work. It wasn't pressurized, and like, so the PVC, when I pressurized it, one of the ends blew off and hit me in the face. But taking a shower, I mean, it's a big thing.
Road grind.
And I would have, here's a thing I'm thinking. If you had this filled up and you set it on top of your bus during the day because it's black, it's going to warm up.
That's true.
So the water will warm up. So that'd be like a tip right there.
And it's like double pressurized because you're also getting gravity.
Yeah, that would be too. So what I would do is I would set it up on the rack on the bus all day, let the sun hit it, so to speak, and warm it up. It definitely would warm up. I know that when I put my water jug up there, it gets hot during the day and it's just blue. So that would be one thing for sure. But again, Jake, what do you think? I mean, from a pressure standpoint.
Look, I've taken a lot of showers in my life. I'm a pretty hygienic person. But right there,
I have the water bill to prove it.
It's true. That felt great. RINSEKIT, man, like I said, use this code, get your 10% off. But RINSEKIT is the way to roll. They are a great company. Like I said, they're, you know, founded here in America. It's also awesome.
Jake, how much water do you think is in there still?
Probably over 2.5 gallons.
Yeah, I mean, so there's plenty still in there. RINSEKIT. There they are right there, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you go out and check them out, rinsekit.com. Thank y'all for joining us today on our RINSEKIT. Thank the guys at RINSEKIT. Hope you guys enjoy this. This is the way we do. I mean, you know us. We're just doing silly stuff. But this is a nice thing to have when you're camping. There's no doubt about it.
You know what else this is probably great for? Like going to the beach and stuff. Rinsing all the sand off.
That's the biggest thing. Like if you're
going camping
or beach volleyball
or flonky ball. That's that German game.
So remember, RINSEKIT. Whenever you need to get rinsed off, RINSEKIT's the way to go. Thank you, RINSEKIT, for sending us this, and
yes,
we were really happy to use it and be using it on road trips, using it on the beach days. Just coming in handy. I mean, I might use it to harvest, you know, put on a show after the Twinkie. To clean Twinkies off my bus at the harvest.
Very good idea. There it is.
Poor Boomer gets covered.
Clean the Twinkie guts off the back of Boomer. All right, everybody. Thank y'all, as always, for joining us today on VWLife. We do this for you guys, the VW community. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, everybody about VWLife. And make sure you check out all our merch at All Metric Garage. And we will see you guys soon. RINSEKIT, thanks again, everybody. Anyway, we were sandy afterwards, and if I had one of these in the old Chevette,
the vet.
In the vet.
Pre-Volkswagen days.
If I would have had one of these in the vet, I would have been clean. So there you go.
Hey,